Search for reviews. Around 82% of consumers read online reviews for local businesses, with 52% of 18 to 54-year-olds saying they always read reviews. BrightLocal 2020 suggests that the habit of reading online reviews before making purchasing decisions is widespread among consumers, especially within the local business context. The statistics, derived from a BrightLocal study conducted in 2020, indicate that a significant majority of consumers, 82%, turn to online reviews to gauge the quality and reliability of local businesses. Furthermore, the study highlights a generational trend where more than half, 52% of younger consumers, specifically those aged 18 to 54, reported that they consistently read reviews before engaging with a business. This trend emphasizes the importance of online reputation management for businesses of all sizes. Reviews and customer feedback have become critical factors in influencing potential customers. Positive reviews can lead to increased trust and, consequently, more business. Conversely, negative reviews can harm a business's reputation and deter potential customers. Businesses need to be aware that online presence is crucial. Customers are increasingly relying on the internet to find information about local businesses. Therefore, businesses need to maintain an active online presence across various platforms where reviews can be posted, such as Google My Business, Yelp, TripAdvisor, and industry-specific review sites. Engagement with reviews matters. It's not enough just to have reviews. Businesses need to actively engage with them. Responding to reviews, both positive and negative, can show that a business values customer feedback and is committed to improving its service. Encouraging reviews can boost business. Since many consumers rely on reviews for making decisions, businesses should encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback. This can be done by asking customers directly, sending follow-up emails after a purchase or service, or providing incentives for leaving a review. Monitoring reviews for insights. Reviews are not just about reputation, they can also provide valuable insights into what a business is doing right and what may need improvement. By analyzing feedback, businesses can identify patterns and make informed decisions about changes or enhancements that might be needed. Transparency and authenticity are key. Potential customers are becoming more skilled at identifying fake or manipulated reviews. Businesses must focus on cultivating genuine customer testimonials rather than resorting to unethical practices like paying for fake reviews. Reviews influence search engine optimization, SEO. Reviews can also affect a business's visibility online. Search engines like Google often rank businesses with positive reviews higher in search results, meaning that good feedback can translate into increased online visibility. Mobile access to reviews. With the increasing use of smartphones for internet access, it's important to note that many consumers may be reading reviews on mobile devices. Businesses should ensure their online profiles and review platforms are optimized for mobile users. Impact on sales. Ultimately, the prevalence of review-reading behaviors among consumers has a direct impact on sales and revenue for local businesses. Positive online reviews can lead to more foot traffic and higher conversion rates. In summary, the data from BrightLocal underscores the significance of online reviews in consumer behavior today and provides actionable insights for local businesses aiming to build trust and attract customers in the digital age.